my last video of the day, I wanted to introduce you guys to my bike, Big Sur. This is Big Sur. For those of you who have biked with me, Jenny, you know Big Sur, but this is my surly long haul trucker. You will notice the bike bags are incredibly full because I have packed an insane amount of food. Typical, very typical. I'm already getting laughed at because I take up a whole freaking shelf at these bike camping sites, or I did last night at least. Everyone's like, oh my God, why do you have so much food? And I'm like, you don't even know, you guys. These thighs, they need to be fed. And here is my this is my companion for the trip. This is Pumpkin Bert. He is along for the ride. My protector. What else? This is my front pack. It's full of sunscreen and a map. And these are my new fancy tires. Woo! Look at that tread. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so there's the setup. Signing off. Hasta la vista.